The Biosphere is an indoor terrarium made out of glass and brushed aluminum. It's full of live and healthy plants if maintained right. The maintenance is not hard at all. Just cut back the plants if they shade others and spray it once in a while. If you cut back your plants, you can of course remove the lid of the terrarium. I just left it on for the video, so I have enough light. Spraying the biosphere can be combined with cleaning it. Make sure to get the whole front wet and wipe it with a bit of towel attached to some tweezers afterwards. You shouldn't spray a biosphere too often because it can kill some of the plants in there. You can also remove grease and dirt with some cleaning liquids as the JBL Pro Clean Aqua, but normal cleaning agents should work as well. Give it a quick wipe from the outside and you're done. When it comes to layouting the biosphere, rising the substrate towards the back can be really helpful, but the manual that comes with the biosphere tells enough about layouting, so that should be a piece of cake. Another highlight of our little indoor jungle is definitely the light. You can change the light intensity and color with those two potentiometers on the lid. Different light tones can improve your layout, warm tones for a jungle, cold ones for a desert. There are infinite options. I hope this has been an informative or at least pleasing video to watch, although it was pretty short. If you liked it, like, and if you disliked it, dislike the video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one and hit that bell. Thanks a lot, I'm out.